The 1.5-kilometer muddy track with 11 obstacles with a maximum height of 11 feet was not an easy feat to accomplish for the Jeep drivers. The two very obvious rules about which the drivers were cautious was to avoid getting stuck in the mud and the other from restricting their Jeeps within the tracks, as both would lead to disqualification.
Talent is there, people want to do something different. We have options, but the government is like, it's our bad luck that government doesn't support us.
They've made a lot of effort to make the track, and I've really enjoyed the track. I'm the last year's reigning champion also, and luckily I've got the best two timings of the day also.
Though the only female driver did not manage to score any position, but being an individual female driver, her morale was boosted by awarding her a special award.
You know, gender has got not much to do with what you can do. You set your own limits. So once we start, challenging our own limits, I think there is no limit. It was quite a big Jeep that I was driving, so I was a little nervous that I did not know whether if I could be able to handle it or not. But I'm extremely thrilled.
The drivers furnished their Jeeps specially for this muddy track, and the spectators witnessed some awesome scenes when these Jeeps with heavy engine capacity of even more than 2400cc jumped on the muddy hurdles.
I just came in as a spectator this time, but hopefully, inshallah, next time I'll bring my SUV in as well.
We've already gone through the Dubai Desert Safari, but I think this is much better, and it's a good entertainment for youth as well as older people.
In the special category of restored vehicles, SN Niaz won the first prize, while Usman Nadeem and Sardar Hassan got the top positions in the second and third categories of up to 2400cc and more than 2400cc respectively. The event was organized by the motorsport lovers, but the organizers say that the mud Jeep racing cannot become the leading game unless government and sports organizations play their active role. Umar Farooq, Dawn News, Lahore.